but they just have stuff you can put on.
I go to Kmart.
Go to Kmart?
All right, we are at EW2, I believe is what you guys call this line. And I am going to camera. We're cameraing from the building now. And we want to go out to, I don't know if it's going to take us to a lateral or to the manhole. Definitely have some debris in this line, so we're going to try to go as far as we can. Obviously, we got a whole lot of people running water in here.
These metals.
Alright, so that's your combo. This is where it ties in to the main line coming down from EW1. Pipe appears to be, looks like clay tile, terracotta pipe. I didn't see any issues with it. No breaks, no cracks, no root intrusions. Pipe looks pretty good. Pipe looks like it's in really good shape. You can see how far out we were on the bottom left hand side. You got a counter. A little debris in the bottom of the pipe, but a little bit it doesn't concern me. It'll wash through. Pipe looks like it's in really good shape. Again, this is building 2, Edgewater. I believe you guys call it EW2. And we have a flow because we obviously can't tell everybody in the building to stop using the water while we run the camera. Just got the flow just kicked up on us a little bit. Looks like that pipe's the same size all the way through, which where we've got it opened up is 10 inch. So now I am back in the hole. So that was from essentially where the new clean out is going to be all the way out to the main line for EW2.